Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. It is kind of gloom and doom outside today. I will be super happy when I am able to get into my studio with better lighting. So for now, just bear with the lighting scenario. I do have a box for you today. Bombay and Cedar. You know, I don't know how much it cost. It'll be on the screen. Also, I think this is, what month is this? This is November. I'm pretty sure this is October's box. Maybe, I don't know. It'll be on the screen too. You know how that goes with me. I do currently have 2 giveaways going on. The 1,500 subscriber giveaway is going on right now, and I also have a giveaway where I am giving away a conspiracy palette and a controversy palette. So you guys jump on that if you want. The 1,500 subscriber giveaway is going to be ending real soon here, so get on that if you can. Did I already say I had Bombay and Cedar? I think I did. Whew. It's one of those days. I was up all last night with a migraine. Like, it was so bad. So now I've just kind of got like medicine head, medicine brain going on. So bear with me. There's other information down in the description if you're interested in that too. Good Lord, the lighting is really bad. I am so sorry. Okay, let's get into Bombay and Cedar. So I open it up, and this is what I see, and I can see right there, this is October's box. You get a little booklet, and I can't ever remember if it gives you the prices in here. It does give you the prices in here, so that is cool. Let's dig into it. Also, I do want to mention just real fast, I have noticed for the newest giveaway, I have noticed that people are watching less than a minute, less than 2 minutes of the video, and then wanting to win the giveaway. I just want to say that it would be so helpful if you would actually watch the video in full. I am monetized here on YouTube, but I literally make, at this point, I literally make like $1 a day. And all the giveaways that I do for you guys, like all of that comes out of my pocket. All the money comes out of my pocket. And it would just be incredibly helpful if you guys would at least do me the courtesy of watching the video in full and, you know, playing the ads, because that's the only way I make money, and that is a big part of, well, it's just a big part of how I'm able to make money here. But like, I'm such a small channel that I'm not making a lot, like literally like $1 a day. And but you know, every penny is helpful when I'm the one that's coming out of pocket to give all these prizes away to you guys. So, you know, please just, a big part of the way we get paid on YouTube is watching the ads, and a big part of if my video is being recommended is what the average view time is on those videos. You know, for instance, if I have a 10-minute video and this person over here has a 10-minute video of the exact same thing, but my average view time is only 5 minutes and their average view time is 9 minutes, their video is going to be the one that is recommended to more people. Therefore, they're going to, you know, get more views on that video. They're going to make a little bit more money. And, you know, it would just be really helpful, and it would mean a lot to me if, you know, even if you are walking away from the video because you have something else to do or whatever, you know, if you just let it play in the background, that would mean the world to me, and it would be so helpful for me and for my channel and for me to be able to continue to do giveaways like this. Anyway, let's just get into this box. The first thing I am pulling out is Lesser Evil Sinful Taste Clean Snacks. It's organic popcorn. The organic popcorn retails for $2.49. Good Lord, my lighting is horrible. I'm gonna try to get through this. Let's see, the next thing I am pulling out is Terramera. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but this is, oh, it's a dual action bamboo Acacia scrub, or Acacia. I don't know, I've heard it pronounced so many ways. Let's see, what is this worth? There's something jiggling around in there. So there is actually a choice. You get a choice of this, which is an anti-aging exfoliant treatment, or an oat and rosehip hydration balm mask. So the retail value is anywhere between $84 and $88, whichever one you get. Oh, I'm so sorry about my lighting, you guys. Like, it's driving me crazy. I don't know. I don't know if I want to put this in a giveaway or hold on to it. Let's see. Tip Off liquid-filled makeup removing swabs. Get it? We got you. By Alley Oop. Oh, that's interesting. Tip Off by Alley Oop. These liquid-filled cotton swabs tackle your makeup mishaps on the go. Ooh, I've never seen anything like this before. That's cool. Totally keeping it. And they retail, oh, it says, what does it say? It says snap the tip to release the liquid. That's super cool. These retail for $8. The next thing I am pulling out is a Cleanse It, AF Cleanse It, 2-in-1 dual action cleansing brush. Okay, interesting. What does this retail for? This retails for $20. It says dual action cleansing brush for all skin types with gentle, nose itch, sorry, with gentle bristles on one side and a silicone pad on the other. The ultimate cleansing tool that will reveal brighter skin. That's interesting. Okay. I mean, I've never heard of it. I've never seen anything like it before, but that's cool. Let's see. The next thing I am pulling out is, my dog is downstairs. She wants to probably go out. I need to get this done so I can let her out. Okay, so we have an apron. And it's just a blue and white stripe. And that retails for $20 to $25. The next thing I am pulling out is Prickly Pear Cactus Hydro Grow Kit. Oh, that's cool. So this is what it looks like. I am going to open this because I'm going to keep it. I don't know how to use anything like this, and I think I just... let's see. Contains prickly pear cactus seed, soilless growing medium, stainless steel net pot, and carbon cocoa disc instructions. Oh, so maybe the instructions. Oh, okay. So yeah, you can open it up. This is this, and then it has the instructions on the inside. That's cool. Totally down for that. That retails for $17. The next thing I am pulling out here are oils, and these retail, let's see, the tangerine retails for $10, and the sage retails for $14. And I love essential oils. I'm almost positive you get essential oils in every single box, at least I think that I have. But that is cool. I love, love, love essential oils. I'll often put them in my laundry, since I use organic laundry soap, and the organic laundry soap doesn't like smell like anything at all, so I do put essential oils in there. And then the next thing I am pulling out is, it looks like 14 to 18 karat gold, gilt or rhodium plated, nickel free, by Wonderlust and Company. Okay, so it looks like that. I'm not going to open this, but this retails between $49 and $59. So if you got the mini box, you got an art therapy coloring kit, oh, okay. So the mini Buddha board, it's like, it says one of the below is included in the premium box. Okay, so I could have gotten the mini Buddha board, flow book. Not sure what that is. Let's see. It's an interactive book with hidden treasures. Okay. Or I could have gotten the grow kit. And I got the grow kit. Okay, you guys, that was Bombay and Cedar. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I am going to go lay on my sofa and edit some videos and probably go back to sleep. Thank you again for being here, and have a great day. Bye.